बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
हम आए ही नहीं पार्टी में, वही सरप्राइज है।
बर्थडे वीक का मुझे मिला है फर्स्ट फूल।
शुभ मुहूर्त नहीं है मम्मी पापा के हिसाब से।
हेलो।
Hi, what's you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. It's officially my birthday week. I'm turning 26 on 29th Jan. कितने दिन बचे? 3 days to go. Oh my god. Last night I had this crazy craving of this one cake. So I love Del Cakes ka strawberry and chocolate, and since I'm born in January, I'm in the strawberry season. That's my favorite fruit is strawberry. So I had this major craving, so I ordered it in the middle of the night and I ate the whole cake. It's like this square mein aata Del for me karke, and it's 400 rupees. It's very expensive and I ate it, but it's honestly not as up to the mark as it used to be. Like मैंने हर साल 3 साल से उसको लगातार खाया है, and कल रात को खा के I was like shit, मैंने खाली फुकट के sugar calories जमा कर ली, even though I'm on such a no sugar strict diet. I shouldn't have eaten because I don't know if now they are mass producing it so much that unki quality was not like exactly like hitting the point it should hit. But I've started celebrating. That was my first gift to myself that I did. Now I'm filming a YouTube video and today I'm going to Lower Parel for Shivesh's book launches celebration. You know he launched the book Chocolate I showed you all in the last vlog. So आज उनका मुंबई में celebration है. He's a Delhi based creator but he's come to Bombay for this, so it's happening in Lower Parel. So I'm going to go there and I'm taking mummy also with me because it's a different community. I think Shivesh will have a lot of like food creators over there. Mostly I would not know them, but it's great for mom to meet them. I do know a lot of food creators. I do love following like food videos because it's very satisfying to watch, not like a cook, but I do follow a lot of people, so I would get to meet few faces that I know, but I think I wouldn't know a lot of them. But it's good for mom to meet them since now she will become a food creator, so I'm taking mama and going with me. And then since we are going to be in Lower Parel, we'll go to Palladium also, and then I just want to look around and see what is there to shop. I've decided actually what I'm getting myself for my birthday. I have आज ही मुझे decide हुआ. It's a very funny story actually. Once I get that gift for myself, I'll tell you what the reason is behind it and how I thought of it, because I literally just thought of it today. उसको थोड़ा time लगेगा आने, I'm sure. तो जब आएगा मैं आपको बताऊंगी, बट मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मैं अपने आप के लिए क्या ले रही हूँ. एटलीस्ट अ डिसीजन हैज बीन मेड बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग अराउंड एंड आई वाज लाइक देयर इज नथिंग आई वांट एज सच, यू नो. सो दिस दैट आई हैव आइडेंटिफाइड नाउ, इट्स अ नीड एंड अ वांट. सो आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई हैव फाइनली आइडेंटिफाइड दिस एंड इट वुड बी अ कूल बर्थडे गिफ्ट एंड रियली विल फील लाइक आई एम adulting when I get that. Anyway, so before we dive into more conversation for my birthday, I have my full setup ready. It's a Saturday today, but we are shooting. It's not a work from home Saturday. I'm trying these dresses and we're shooting for subscribers shop my birthday outfits. And my coffee, yes, thank you so much. कल रात को सत्यम बोल रही हूँ, फज ने मेरे को 1 मिनट सोने नहीं दिया चैन से. I don't know, he didn't eat dinner, so I think he was super restless because of that. And he kept waking me up. हिचकिया खा रहा है अभी. I have not slept well. So yeah, let's begin the YouTube video shoot. Long day ahead.
How does it feel to come?
How are you feeling to come to your first influencer event?
How does it feel for you to drive me to a influencer event?
Mummy,
I am a content creator.
Now I have decided what I will get myself.
What?
See, when you don't put mascara, your eyes look so empty.
Empty? My eyes are full of dreams.
Look at me quickly. My garage will fill up now if we don't do this. I'll tell you what I'm planning to get. You'll not say no. You'll just say okay, yes.
Not another dog.
No re.
नहीं, अमेरिका ट्रिप भी था बर्थडे गिफ्ट. फिर
America trip was not
तो
birthday.
बोली.
America trip was I got through 2024 trip. Okay, it was celebrating my horrible 2024 with a good trip. Mummy, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling comfortable.
Yeah, you met Natasha, you felt
Yes.
good, very comfortable. We spoke to Natasha for a good 10-15 minutes. The mom is feeling good. She's encouraged her. Hello. Hello, auntie.
मैंने सोचा था we should do like a coffee dessert making का video together. Done. You मिलते के साथ you have video ideas. ना नहीं वो ये idea मेरे पास बहुत पहले से है. I made the espresso cupcakes in the book. Okay. Yeah. I have fully read your book. Made one recipe also. You inspired me on my New Year. I saw your YouTube blog and they told me that you made the recipe.
I love your dessert. You're so talented.
Thank you.
I'm so happy.
I'm so glad कि आप आए. Thank you. मम्मी ने सारे डिजर्ट्स ले लिए इधर. वैसे तो मम्मी को नो शुगर बोला है बट भाई शी इज ईटिंग धड़ाधड़. आज पहला इवेंट है तो मैं अलाउ कर रही हूँ वरना नहीं. हाँ सोच लो तुम.
Rather coffee, like.
I will have little bit from your own.
नहीं तू अक्का बता ले मैं अक्का खाती बहुत अच्छा.
A few hours later.
We have come to Palladium to check my birthday के लिए अगर कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है.
मुझे बहुत कुछ अच्छा लगा तेरे बर्थडे के लिए.
अरे क्या जरूरत है अभी लेने की. लेकिन जो तुमको अच्छा लगा वो मुझे अभी बर्थडे के लिए नहीं चाहिए ना. लेकिन मुझे जो चाहिए उसकी ट्रायल हम लेने देखते हैं अगर इधर मिलेगी तो. यहाँ पे देयर इज ओनली दीज. हाँ ethos इज देयर मम्मी. ethos विल हैव. चलते चलते राह में हम पहुंच गए गुची एंड पसंद भी आ गया कुछ. एंड मम्मी बोली
आते तो गुची लेना ही पड़ता है.
ओए मम्मी बोली ले ले. हाँ, ले लो.
चलिए मेरे तरफ से देखो बैग.
अरे नहीं.
अरे ले ले.
अरे
चल ना,
नहीं.
चल ना ले ले.
नहीं मेरे को मेरे लिए लेने का है. आई एंटर्ड गुची टू शो मॉम दिस चेरी रेड Mormont collection which I saw in New York and I was telling mummy that I loved it and it's in a better price over here so we've decided to buy this.
As my birthday gift.
Yes. You all
Is
remember?
this a full stop?
We
birthday
never
gift?
know. We never know, mummy. It's a birthday
You
shopping
deserve
spree.
it. You deserve it. You worked really too hard.
Arre. Remember when
This
we came
is
for
your
this,
age?
mummy? This was
Yes.
the first Gucci purchase we
This
made.
and your wallet.
Yeah, first time we came. इतना it has been used and abused. ये कलर मेरे को बहुत भाग गया guys. ये कलर देखो बस इतना सुंदर है ये कलर और ये उनका नया ब्रांडिंग कलर यही होने वाला है. Fresh unboxing.
उन लोग खुद इतने डेलिकेटली वापरते तो तू तो इतनी रफ.
मैं कुछ भी रफली नहीं वापरती हूँ सिर्फ कार्ड होल्डर. Yes, very nice. Perfect. All stitching and everything is perfect,
Yes.
na? Okay. Can I have a full look? Yeah. I'm getting it. Do you have a long? This is the only strap, right?
Yes, it's the
Okay.
only strap that we have.
I freaking love the new Gucci bag. I'm obsessed. See? That's why we took the same color. Yay! The minute you enter Palladium and it's birthday week, you know the damage is going to...
Yes, and you come with mom, it's never this.
Yes, I love that my mom encourages this. So next, Bottega Veneta or Jimmy Choo?
Nothing.
Arey, mummy, live like an influencer.
Yes, yes.
पेज लॉन्च हुआ नहीं कि live like an influencer. Bulgari Serpentine ethos. Let's see what the hype is about, how it feels in the hand. May I have the honor of at least trying it?
इतना महंगा घड़ी ऐसा लग रहा है कि
क्या?
फ्रेजाइल है. अच्छा ये आउटसाइड डायमंड्स है.
ये रियल डायमंड्स है.
ओके.
Green's not the black is there.
ओके. अभी मम्मी अपनी शॉपिंग में लग रही है.
एक्सेल की लार्ज.
मेरे को तो स्मॉल भी इनका बड़ा ही लग रहा है. एक्सचेंज करा सकते साइज फिट नहीं होएगा तो.
फिर बिलिंग के लिए क्यों
क्यों नहीं है बिलिंग के लिए खाली है. This and that were my first Gucci purchases with their old packaging, my card holder and my wallet. And now we have this big baby next to it. अभी इसको good night बोल के सो जाओ. I'll directly take you out on my birthday.
The next morning.
Good morning you guys. It's Sunday and I have not slept well unfortunately. मुझे बुरे सपने आ रहे थे. I don't know why, but मैं सो नहीं पाई हूँ सही से तो मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है. But I've woken up. It's early in the morning. I've just kept the curtains closed because lighting falls better when the curtains closed. But you can see it's morning outside, right? It's 10 a.m. I woke up at 5:30 once, then I slept again. Woke up at 9:30 slept again. Now finally it's 10 बज रहे तो मैं उठ गई हूँ क्योंकि I'm going for my hair color and nail appointment to Neha salon. I need to get a makeover for my birthday, but it's not going to be a makeover. I'm loving my chocolatey brown hair that's going on right now. खाली अंडमान जाके इस बार luckily मेरा tan नहीं हुआ है. I was very strict with my sunscreen this time and I was applying it, reapplying it and just taking care of my body and skin in general. I even wore full sleeves, full pants and went diving जब मैं अंडमान गई थी तो इस बार मेरा दूध आ गया। मैं जली नहीं हूँ इस बार, बट मेरे बाल का कलर खुल गया है। लाइक आप देख सकते हो ये ब्राउन हेयर इज ऑलमोस्ट बिकम ऑरेंज एंड हैज ब्लॉन्ड स्ट्रीक्स एंड इट्स नॉट लुकिंग बैड, बट इन सम लाइटिंग्स लाइक व्हेन देयर इज टॉप लाइट यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज ऑरेंज एंड blonde and mainly बहुत dry हो गए ends because ocean water of course destroys your hair. Especially I did 9 dives this time in Andaman. तो 9 dives के लिए I have to tell Satyam to make my protein smoothie. Wait, I'll get later this. Satyam, protein smoothie बना दे. So I ordered the ingredients just now for my smoothie ताकि मुझे अच्छे से energetic लगे. Because it'll be a long process. Vaishnavi ma'am is coming for my hair. And I thought I'll do it. इतना ज़रूरत नहीं है but Olaplex भी चाहिए मुझे और मुझे ये वाला section बहुत ज़्यादा golden लग रहा है. So if she can just do one toning, she'll not color, like not aggressively color with highlights, not just a tone, like one single tone फिर वो धीरे धीरे खुल जाएगा. That's okay with me. I really like brown hair on me, so I'm definitely not changing my hair color. I'm not even getting a haircut. Just a toning and Olaplex. That's it. So just my hair becomes soft and bonds एकदम strong हो जाएंगे. That's the plan of action. Skin is mashallah good. Skin has no issues. Touch wood. I am applying my ordinary niacinamide serum. This is gonna get over. I have to buy a new one. अभी वो Nykaa की नई सेल आएगी तभी I'll buy everything that's over. And मुझे कुछ और भी बोलना था. हाँ, yesterday was so good. Yesterday was such a nice event. It was bad traffic and I was getting so sleepy by the time I drove to the event. But traffic is really bad. Something with my sleep these days. I haven't been sleeping well since I came back from Andaman. I don't know if it's because the pollution after the clean air of Andaman just hits you and you're like feeling like your eyes are burning in Bombay with the smog. Not good. Whenever I complain about it, you're like, you're not allowed to complain. I don't know why, but it's bad. The pollution is really bad in Bombay as compared to the clean air I was breathing in Andaman. And I'm totally an island girl, you know. I thrive on islands and beaches and beach locations. So I enjoyed myself over there and did not like the air I was breathing when I got back home. But that's not the point of this rant. It's that yesterday was a great event. My mom felt so comfortable amongst the other food creators that were there. So Natasha Gandhi and I know each other through Instagram because she follows me, I follow her. So we know of each other, but we've never met. So she was so sweet and so warm and welcoming, not just towards me, but also towards mom. When I told her that mom is starting her page, she was so like encouraging to mom. So mom को बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब वो बहुत nervous थे जाने के लिए, but she felt very comfortable. So she was like, हाँ अब तो मैं कर लूँगी. And she was feeling very like nice. And Shivesh also came. He also made mom feel very comfortable. And it was just a very like cozy environment. And it was a good decision to take Ma to the event because she felt comfortable and felt like she can do this. And it's a space that she could belong in. That's so important, right? Because these creators would be her creator community when she grows and becomes like a bigger creator, which inshallah soon she will.
One hour later.
Sherin has come to do a little small shoot on a Sunday and now she's guessing which bag. Do you have it in the YouTube pictures? That's where you're retrieving from?
No, I'm just checking the name you said. This one you got?
Yeah.
Very cute.
Nah?
But
But the color I got, so I checked a black because you've told me to get a black bag. But I didn't get a black
the
bag.
white you got?
No.
Red you got?
Yes.
Cute. Which we did not expect. Pooja is like, you should not have believed though.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when you went to UK also with Auntie and we never knew you were gonna come
I
back
have not
with
been
any-
to UK.
Not UK. Paris when you went.
Yeah.
Who knew you were gonna come back with anything?
So last minute, it was all it's all impulsive. Last minute at the airport, my father was like, "Lele."
So impulsive.
Fudge liked it. Fudge approves of the bag.
Want me to open?
Yeah.
I love the color, huh?
Yeah.
That is so nice.
I love the new box. I didn't have this box. I had the green
Yeah,
box.
it's just so good. What did Auntie say?
She loved it. She was there. That's why I got it. Akele thode I bought. She said, "You like it, you get it."
Oh, so good. But this is actually like you actually got that because of this one. Like this actually is so good.
This is so good, right? The color's so good.
Like just so classy.
It's an
So old money.
Yeah, and it's an ox blood red. It's different than
it's a different diet for sure. Love it. The free में आता होता
the free में क्यों आता? मेरे चाचा का brand नहीं. Where is the Coach tabby? Yeah.
I love this color more.
Yeah, this
I
colors.
think, हाँ.
वो तो of course same नहीं था color. This is more red blue toned
Blue toned, yeah.
and it's silver hardware.
Yeah, but you got both.
Yeah, see the difference?
Yeah, there's a good difference.
Damn, I didn't think I would have both the hell. I really didn't want this. I didn't know I was gonna get this.
Yeah, you did. But we also didn't know, guys. We also were surprised.
Expect the unexpected, Fudge. Isn't that how we live?
started with the vlog. I never know when I would just go to Paris.
Yeah.
But you should have said, you never know, I'm leaving right now. I will get something.
But after I got it, I felt like, okay, now it's my birthday week. Now it's feeling like it's my birthday. The deal I got, bro, like, when she told me it's the cheapest in India, I was like, bantu paper mein main zyada soch nahi rahi hu because...
It's good, it's good.
And I checked all the bags. I loved it. In fact, mummy reminded me that when we had gone for my wallet and card holder once upon a time 4 years back, tabhi I had tried the crossbody, this bag in the black, and I couldn't afford it that time. And she said, see, full circle moment. See, one birthday you couldn't, now you're buying it, so you take it. That's why she said, ले ले, तेरे को चाहिए तो ले ले.
It's a good deal, I think. Perfect.
आज Sunday है, but we are just pulling a 15-20 minute shoot at the maximum. जिसमें overall setup and all takes 1 hour, but I just want to shoot my birthday outfit roundup, like whatever outfits got picked up, उसका try on section जो कल मैंने shoot किया था, आज try on portion हम film कर रहे हैं, and आज मैं reel डालूंगी. Then you all will decide कि मैं birthday पे क्या पहनूं. It has to go up today because today is 26 Jan and tomorrow today is Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. I don't know why. As soon as I left for my nail and hair, all these little kids were coming with their chotu flags, and I was like, oh, it's Republic Day.
Later.
I'm done with the shoot. It just took me 5 to 10 minutes to finish. Not 5 to 10 minutes, 30 minutes to finish shooting my tryout. And now finally I have a birthday outfit. There was one outfit that one of my Sarah squad sent, which was so chummy. Sharon तहाब ही आया है एडिट करने माम एडिट का प्री बर्थडे ट्रॉमा ही है वो गिफ्ट नहीं है माम एडिट का एडिट हैज टू बी फाइनलाइज अभी हम कल लॉन्च कर रहे हैं आज लॉन्च करना था संडे को बट आज शुभ मुहूर्त नहीं है मम्मी पापा के हिसाब से आज लॉन्च करने का सच्ची में आज अक्रम का कैलेंडर पापा चेक किए तो सच
अंकल मैं नहीं हंस रहा हूँ मैंने फिर भी ब्लर डाल दो
That is the reason why we didn't post on a Sunday. We were posting on a Monday morning. Because we thought we'll start posting today. We even thought we'll start posting on 29th, but I don't want the attention from my birthday going there. Like, because people will be busy wishing me for my birthday and nobody will watch her video. That is what I thought. So Pooja gave the advice कि birthday पे मत कर, strategically speaking. And Papa gave the advice कि 26th को मत कर, spiritually speaking. So the same day was 27th. अभी आप अपना TVC दिखाए. ये अपन 1 महीने में एक बार बैठ सकते हैं ना.
पूजा को आपको भेजना पड़ेगा B-roll तो वो सब स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के लिए कुछ.
मैं कर रही हूँ शेरन एडिट. शेरन तो मेरे को
आराम तुम्हारी तबीयत खराब है ना तुम्हें जड़ी बूटी फूको और
एक तो ना all of these people are in on some surprise that they are planning for. They all are Futela holes cannot keep a surprise, okay? Please Taha also is like बता दे इसको क्या करना है.
मैं क्या भाई मैं कुछ इन्वॉल्वमेंट ही नहीं है मैं बोला तुमको प्री बर्थडे सरप्राइज टीवीसी और क्या चाहिए तुमको.
Anything I'm saying about my birthday they were like ऐसा कर रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं करते. Are you sure? Are you sure you want to do this?
भाई what is this rubbish? कुछ भी बोलती है यार. ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला.
Okay, so I shared this Pinterest photo on हमारा Team SS का जो ग्रुप है जिसमें Sharon और Pooja and I was like I want birthday cake like this. Sharon crying and she's like this was going to be a surprise. I was like तो surprise है तो बोल मत ना बहन. बोल मत. They suck at giving surprises.
कौन बोलता है
Everyone give farewell party. I'm like married. Farewell party जल्दी घर क्लीन कर.
Bro, even Reese has been telling me I'm so busy planning your surprise.
बाय क्या है ये
वो किन circumstances पे बाहर आया मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता वो चीज.
मेरी एक ही फ्रेंड थी जो मेरे को सक्सेसफुली सरप्राइज दे पाई है वो थी पूजा जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे. पूजा जब गई यूके तभी पूर्णिमा बोली अभी सारा के बर्थडे पे
कौन उसको सरप्राइज करे? Because Purnima and Tamanna were also just shamil on the plan that Pooja used to orchestrate. She was the mastermind.
Leave Sarah.
Yes, thank you.
केक का अपने हक दिए हो जो
हाँ तो एक ही चीज ना.
एक ही चीज. अगर अभी मैंने ये ड्रामेटिक स्लीव्स वाला एक ड्रेस दिखाई रीत को, तो वो बोले there will be a lot of candles at your birthday, so be careful.
I never said there will be a lot.
There might be candles.
There might be.
There might be candles. So there might not be candles. What is the whole meaning of the word might?
गॉड ओ माय गॉड.
अभी रीत को गुस्सा आ रहा है. अभी नहीं.
रीत is in a bad mood now because उसका सरप्राइज खराब हो रहा है guys. We will act surprised, okay?
भाई तुम एक काम करो, मेरे घर आ जाओ उसके बर्थडे तक.
Best surprise.
Later that night.
आज हमारा दिन ऐसा है कि जिम के लिए मैं पूरी तैयार हो गई थी एंड उसके बाद यश आए भी है जिम के लिए एंड इट्स रिपब्लिक डे तो बंद है. तो then he's come up to do time pass and I thought I'll show him my new Gucci bag. I removed the bag and he thought this is the bag. This is what I have purchased.
मैं बता रहा हूँ मैं इसके लायक हूँ नहीं जो आप मुझे दिखा रहे हो.
तुम लोग कोई भी लड़के
ये भी
ला
10,000 का.
अरे forget that. कहा को मैंने बोली कि मैंने खरीदी हूँ और आज इंस्टाग्राम पे फोटो डाली तो देख के लाइक भी किया है बट उसको लगा अभी तक घर पे नहीं आया है तो दुकान से
मैं बोला घर नहीं आया तुमने खरीद. जैसे मेरे को लगा ही तुम घर पे लेके आओ. आई थॉट यू नॉट बाय इट स्टिल.
ओ शिट आई थॉट ये बैग है.
ये बैग है. रुको
मुझे लगा ये बैग है.
ये बैग.
अच्छा ये फाइनल है ना. Very nice.
मैं टच नहीं करना. दूर से ही अच्छा देखना चाहूंगा इसको.
This is so nice. मेरे ब्लैक ड्रेस के साथ कितना मस्त लग रहा है सच.
You should be asking that on me.
कुछ तो महंगा दिख रहा है मेरे को.
क्या
कि कुछ हाँ ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक्सपेंसिव है.
थैंक यू.
Gucci का.
I got a very good deal actually.
वेरी नाइस यार.
सामान बहुत आता है इसमें.
सर ये मेरे ऊपर कैसा लग रहा है दिखाया.
बस
Like this?
yes. They have a men's collection.
तुमको और 300 क्लाइंट तो मिल ही जाएंगे ये बैग बन के भाई.
जो मेरे सर्विस ज्वाइन करेगा उसको ये बैग फ्री.
अरे वाह.
लोखंड वाला.
वही रीत देख के बोलता है कि हाउ डू यू टेल द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड व्हाट आई सी पीपल इन लोखंडवाला मार्केट वेयर. बर्थडे वीक का मुझे मिला है फर्स्ट फूल से फूल मिला है मुझे. चलो अभी हम यश की गाड़ी में घूम के आएंगे सवारी लेके. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. मेरा लाइसेंस
मैं बैग
रख लो.
है नहीं डिटेक्टिव.
मेरे पास लाइसेंस है गाड़ी चलाने का. ट्रक का भी है मेरे पास. ओ क्या चमक रही है ब्रो. माशाल्लाह. वेरी नाइस. पहले पीछे का खोलो. मैं मेरा फूल रख दूं. डूड माशाल्लाह वेरी नाइस. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू. यस ब्रो. उसने मेरे को पहले ही बोला था मैं लूं तो आई गेट अ चांस टू ड्राइव दिस बेबी. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम.
The next morning.
Good morning, it is 27 Jan and I have finally posted mom's first reel. माँ made it का पहला reel मैंने डाल दिया है. आज खाली पहला reel था तो I did the posting. I want to follow like a morning posting schedule. I'm going to teach mom also how to do like Instagram पे posting. There's a lot of steps involved so I thought like first reel I will only post पूरा like कल रात को मैं और तहा बैठ के पूरा edit everything we finalize captions वगैरह डाल के सारे videos are looking so good. Like you will look at mom made it's videos and you will learn how to cook. You know, that's what I loved about it, that mom is such a good cook and she's teaching also really well because she's a teacher, so she's teaching so well. Honestly मुझे भी नहीं लगा था कि इतना अच्छा quality और इतना अच्छा output हमको पहले से आएगा. So I'm so proud of mom and the entire team at Mom Made It. ऐसे छोटी सी एकदम अच्छी टीम बनी है माशाल्लाह. Please go hit the follow button on Instagram and hit the subscribe button on YouTube. We are posting YouTube shorts also, so if you don't have Instagram, do not worry, you will get the recipes to your home and inshallah in the future we will start a long form also. But this is what it looks like right now. Mom, you're so cute. cute. अभी तक मैंने YouTube पे नहीं डाला है, but I put it on Instagram. Everybody's coming now. 11 बजे. It's 10:45. I posted it जल्दी on Instagram. I want to follow a morning posting schedule. मैं अभी night suit में हूँ. I just woke up super early. So excited for this posting. Reet is also coming with his friend Bidhun. Bidhun has come for a one-day layover. You know, we met him in Meghalaya. If you've seen my Meghalaya vlog. And Arunachal. वो Coldplay के लिए आया था. So he had gone to Ahmedabad for that. और उसका अभी layover है. And then he's going to Muscat. तो आज एक दिन we'll chill with Bidhun also once he comes. He and Rita coming together. But Mummy is coming and the entire team of Mom Made It is also coming. Taha will come because आज उन लोग एक birthday cake भी shoot कर रहे हैं. मेरे लिए Mummy will make my favorite sugar-free, gluten-free birthday cake that she makes for me. Now that I'm on a diet, she cooks that for me and it's a delicious, like with strawberries. It's so good. I told Mummy once you start the page, you have to make this recipe. So she's cooking that today. Not on my birthday because she wants to chill on my birthday, of course. But yeah, my birthday is in 2 days, but she's making it today. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of my mother, dude. The feeling is she doesn't want to be unemployed or retired. Like now she can retire. Like I tell her also, just chill. I'll give you a lifestyle expense. Just chill. घर पे बैठो, retire हो जाओ. But she's like, नहीं, मुझे retire नहीं होना. She doesn't have that thing, you know. I feel like Mumbaikars don't have the concept of retirement at all. Mumbaikars so want to hustle all their life. Like my parents, whenever I used to tell them कि तुम लोग retire हो जाओगे ना एक उम्र के बाद, they were like, हम retire नहीं होंगे. Like कुछ ना कुछ तो करते रहना है. That's the thing. So I'm just so proud of my mom to even feel like she can start something so different, so new, and doing it so well. Like mashallah, mashallah. I'm so happy, so proud of her. The feeling is crazy. Getting all the comments, I'm gonna start replying to Mom Made It's comments. मेरे comments से ज़्यादा I'm actually more excited for Mummy. I'll also change for work because अभी Impulse team आएगी.
20 minutes later.
Ready for work. I might also be going out with the boys today, so I'm just wearing a casual outfit for work today. Hello. Congratulations. How does it feel? Mom made it.
Was nervous.
Everybody who I showed, like I just showed Bidhun also in the morning. Reet showed Bidhun and he was like, this is gonna be killer. The TVC. Yash also saw and he had such a big smile on his face. He was like, बहुत अच्छा है, तो बहुत चलेगा.
Congratulations, auntie.
Yes, sir.
You're the son I never had. So much, love you showered on me and given me that encouragement.
She's gonna do great.
God bless you also.
Ajo, Mama Pashira with you.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I was Reet's lucky charm.
Oh, yeah.
So we invited a lucky charm all the way from Oman for you, auntie.
I have a certain luck.
Yeah. Reet's page grew when he was chilling with Bidhun, so yours might also grow.
Chalo, auntie. Cake time. Come on.
Oh, how
Cake time.
nice.
11 YouTube पे जाएगा उसके बाद काट.
Yes. Just gonna put one here. No one.
पीछे ऊपर डालो.
Idhar. This is the San Sebastian.
Sorry.
This is Reet's new favorite cake.
Sorry, baby. ये सत्यम इसको बॉयज में रखना बेटा. तो इस फ्लावर्स के साथ यूज करते हैं. It's not.
Go.
Unfortunately, it's not.
Taha is sleeping. It's okay. That's very good representation of what he is.
Sarah, you also come now.
No. I will cut my birthday cake this month. Only one cake.
To be part of the day. जब भी main shot होगा सत्यम काम करता है.
Congratulations. Celebration. Speech, come on, speech, auntie.
क्या बोलूं?
Whatever you want to say. This is the first day of Mom.
Yeah, this is the first day and I'm really excited, nervous. I hope to bring to you all the best of recipes that I have cooked all these years of my life. My family have enjoyed it. I hope you too enjoy it. Mom Made It rocks.
Proud of you, Mummy?
Yeah, very proud.
Yes.
Inspiring.
Yes.
100%.
Thank you.
All of us will also finish what we do in one lifetime and start in another.
Yes.
Thank you so much for all your love and support. I'm
Always.
blessed to have Reet. Reet was very, very encouraging at the initial stage.
We'll be known as, she's the daughter of Sarah.
Yeah.
Not Sarah's mommy. Then now we'll have to be recognized differently.
Which is only fair.
Yes. My mother never used to come to my open houses. Anyways, nobody knew who she was.
No.
One open house she came.
And one girl is like, this is your mother? She looks so young. I was like, yeah, first time you saw her, no? After all these years.
A little later.
मेरा बर्थडे केक रेडी है. ग्लूटेन फ्री, आमंड, कीटो और क्या क्या है? शुगर फ्री, शुगर रिप्लेसमेंट, ऑल्टरनेटिव शुगर्स. एक ही केक बनाया तुम लोग इतने टाइम में?
हम लोग रुके थे तुम्हारे लिए 1 घंटे से.
क्यों रुके हो? दूसरा केक भी बनाने वाले
तो
थे.
कपड़े चेंज करने का फिर कैसे बनाएंगे?
जब तक उसकी शूटिंग चल रही है, I will eat this.
छोटू ये हो गया, हम लोग भाग रहे हैं यहाँ से.
So बटरी. मम्मी वापस बर्थडे के दिन भी बनाओ.
एक शूट हो गया अभी. माँ मेड इट एकदम लिमिटेड एडिशन.
क्या बात है.
मेरी बर्थडे पार्टी में सिर्फ मम्मी आए हैं. शायद वही होगा. ये लोग सब सरप्राइज, हम आए ही नहीं पार्टी में. वही सरप्राइज है. केक काटने को कैसा काटूं?
निकाली ना छुरी कहाँ रखी?
नहीं ठीक है.
ये ठीक.
हैप्पी एडवांस बर्थडे टू मी.
खाने का है ना?
हैप्पी कितने दिन है? 2 days.
प्री बर्थडे.
ओके इतना एक्साइटमेंट मुझे लग नहीं रहा है. मेरे 25 चले गए. ये जवानी जा रही है. आई एम वेरी सैड अबाउट माय जवानी गोइंग.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sara. Happy birthday to you.
You give auntie first.
वेरी नाइस. बहुत अच्छा.
मेरे को खिला.
क्यों मेरा बर्थडे है?
So good.
A few minutes later.
I was going to go out and meet the boys and take Midhun out and about in Bombay, but वो रीत खाली उसको कोलाबा लेके गया और उसका नमक कम पानी निकल गया. सब गर्मी मुंबई की बर्दाश्त ही नहीं हुई. उससे वापस आ गए.
Bro, it's not the heat and all.
Imagine
It's
it's
the people,
January.
bro.
People are
The
amazing.
density, the density.
The density. He's not used to so much honking. So, and imagine we went in 12 o'clock in local, not rush hour at all. Okay. And he was like, "Why are there so many people?" I'm like, "Bro, this is not.
This is not so many
No, guys,
people.
you think all this, okay? I'm telling you, in my life, I've never been in this much density. Like, in my whole fucking life.
Understand.
So you come from Muscat. Where are the people in Muscat? In Mumbai,
Understandable, bro.
everybody.
Muscat and Kannur, bro, from
Exactly.
Bro,
In Bombay, and imagine
bro,
this is
you feel like
January.
you can't take one step, bro. What is this?
You have to stand like this. You can fall off the train also if you're not careful.
So,
People do,
see,
you know.
see, you
And you live here.
We
were
live
lucky.
like
Yeah,
this. Yeah, फिर तो Vasai said तो bro. You know, take to Dadar station, peak out.
Dadar
Peak
and
hours.
What do you think you guys
I
should
was
make
saying-
me suffer, no? Like, what's that?
I was saying, see, I was telling him at Andheri station only. While coming back now, 4 o'clock, so mild
Yeah.
rush started happening. He saw that, he's like, bro, what are these people? I'm like, you have not seen the half of it yet.
Bro.
We took a whole chakkar of the Kolaba
Huh.
causeway. Okay, after having lunch.
And you said you were
after
tired.
having lunch. Okay. So I told him, do you want to go and see the Kala Gora festival? Because it had just started. He said, yeah, we'll go. We walked a little because from Causeway, Kala Gora is very near.
Yeah.
We walked a little and I told him that we'll go to Kala Gora. From there, I'll take you to Marine Drive.
Huh.
I'll make you try my favorite ice cream. He's like, yeah,
We
yeah,
got
okay.
in, okay.
5 minutes, he's like, bro, can we go to Marine Drive directly?
The next day.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Birthday shopping हो गई है, Mom Made It launch हो गया है, everything is going good, mashallah. Mom Made It also crossed their first 100k on Instagram, not as followers, but first 100k on the views, and I'm so happy that everybody loved the TVC idea because mummy ka idea, the TVC, it was not our concept or anything. Mom came up with this idea that, you know, everybody should come and like, I should be in different roles and I want to display that like different roles, and mummy comes up with like different ideas for Mom Made It. So I love that, like full cooking, full talent, ideas, everything is her, and just putting it into strategy कि हाँ कौन से time पे कौन से timeline में क्या post करना चाहिए, वो सब is like Taha and me and Reet and Runda, all of us together. Tomorrow is officially my birthday. I'm so excited. I'm always excited for my birthday. For me, my new year starts on my birthday. It doesn't start on 1st Jan. Definitely for me did not start on 1st Jan this year because it was very hectic. This year has started very hectic. So inshallah, I was hoping कि birthday के बाद ऐसा थोड़ा newness वाला feeling आएगा. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. 40 Sasko shout goes to Anusha Bharti. It was your birthday on 30th January too. So happy birthday belated. I'm sure this video is going up after that. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next year's Sasko shout, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and chance to part of my next video's Sarah Squad sure. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.